Imagine trying to focus on your job while your heart and your mind is with your sick child. Every time I left the hospital after visiting him, felt like leaving a piece of my heart there. Today, I wanted to talk about something deeply personal to me that I know will resonate with so many people, which has kept me stuck for years. As you know, I've shared my story in one of the videos. I had a premature son. My son was born prematurely and had to stay in intensive care for 7 months. After 5 months, my maternity leave finished and had to go back to work. And that was the hardest thing I ever had to do. Imagine trying to focus on your job while your heart and your mind is with your sick child. Every time I left the hospital after visiting him, I felt like leaving a piece of my heart there. I was juggling so many things, my stressful job and all the online jobs that I started, to trying to break free from my 9-to-5 job. I was trying so many online and part-time jobs. I did Kindle, I did eBay, I did drop shipping, even mystery shopping I did. I was just checking in so many balls. At the end, I did retail arbitrage, which was time and effort consuming. What I didn't realize at the time, that the biggest thing that was holding me back was not my circumstances or my sick child or all these other jobs that I'm doing. What was holding me back? It was me. I was stuck in this victim mentality. I felt sorry for myself. Oh, poor me, I have a sick child. Oh, poor me, I have this draining, stressful job. Oh, poor me, I have to go every night after my work and trying to start this online business and nothing seems to work. And I was just stuck in this poor me victim mentality. And the more I repeated this to my head, the more stuck I felt. But the truth is, we all have difficult circumstances. What matters is how we respond to them. And I was choosing to stay in this victim mindset, which held me back for such a long time. I was letting it control my life and my future. Eventually, I had to break from this, and I made a choice that I have to stop feeling sorry for myself and take charge of my life. And I started to shift my mindset. Instead of seeing myself as a victim of my own circumstances, I start seeing myself as someone with the power to change them. I have to tell you, it wasn't easy. But I made that choice and start using any challenges that I face and use them as a fuel to make me even go further. I realized that if I wanted to break free from my job and create the life that I dreamed of, then I have to own my journey, my choices, and my future. And that shift changed everything. I went from feeling stuck and overwhelmed to building a successful Amazon business, and I help many do the same. I'm here today because I made the choice of letting go of this victim mentality and step into my power. If you feel stuck or overwhelmed and you feel that you can't succeed in anything, trust me, I've been there. I know that feeling. But you have to get yourself out of this mentality. I see a lot of comments of people writing with this victim mentality. Poor me, I have this and that. I can't make this business to work. Poor me, I have this, I have that. The first thing is you have to change your story that you've been telling yourself, that you're a victim of your own circumstances, and start being the author of your success story. If you want to be successful in any field, and I'm not talking here on Amazon or anything, any field that you go into, you have to let go of this poor me mentality, because it will not help you succeed in anything. No matter what circumstances you have, you will find people who have more problems than you, more difficulties and challenges than you, but they made it. If you keep saying to yourself that poor me, that mentality, trust me, it will not help you. It will not make you go further. And as I said, I was stuck for years because of that mentality, feeling sorry for myself. The brain is an amazing tool. If you give it positive, it will signal positive. And if you give it and feed it negativity, it will basically signal negativity. And that will affect everything in your life. Weight Watchers, the diet group, they did an experiment. They used one person, a runner, and they made her hear positive and negative thoughts for 2 days. The first day, all the positive stuff. I'm good, I can do this, I can achieve this. And then the second day, I'm not good enough, I can never succeed on this, I'm such a loser, all the negative thoughts. And at the end of the result, basically, her speed was 21% faster when she was listening to positive thoughts. So our brain, guys, is everything. I'm not saying you have to do self-affirmation every day. Just believe in yourself and trust yourself, because if you don't, no one else will give you that trust. You have to trust in yourself to succeed.